the great name of Allah is the most merciful and very kind. My name is Abdul Qudus. I am student of class 9. Today my presentation topic is present continuous tense. It is used in action going at the time of speaking. Poor tense जेको साइन बुधाए जेको साइन गला ने आऊं कम थी रो कितना चलो present continuous tense. The sentence formation है affirmative. Subject plus is am plus verb plus form plus inform plus subject. Negative किया subject plus is am plus not plus verb plus form plus inform plus subject. Interrogative किया subject is am plus verb plus form plus inform plus subject. Angel assignment do not time come. Affirmative में he is going to Karachi. वो कराची बनी रहे वाला है नेगेटिव में आए he is not going to Karachi इंट्रोगेटिव में आए is he going